Welcome back. Instagram Reels has just released a brand new feature, Remix. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to remix Reels, why you might remix Reels, and finally, some examples of some ideas for you when remixing your Instagram Reels. Just a quick note here, remix is actually an Instagram term. You may be familiar with the feature already. It's called Duet on TikTok. But let me show you how to remix Reels. So long as somebody has enabled remixing, you can now remix with that video. Step one, find a video you want to remix with, then head to the three dots in the bottom right-hand corner and select remix this reel. Once you have that, a screen should pop up, which is like a split screen. The one on the left-hand side is the one that has already been recorded, the video that you already found, and then you should see that your camera should show you on the right-hand side. Now, you will see that on the left-hand side, you have most of the usual options that you have when recording a reel. However, there are two that are missing. The first one, and we'll come to a bit later, is audio, and the second one is video length. Your video length will be the same length as the video that has been recorded. To record your part of the video, your part of the remix, you will hit the middle button and record away, whatever it is that you want to record in response to, reply to, or whatever that is, the video that you have chosen to remix with. And you can do this in as many takes as you want to do, and you can do different sections and use the timer and all the usual stuff. But the next bit where it comes different is if you press the arrow to go forward, you then have two new options right at the top, two new icons. Now, the first one, if we tap that, this is mix audio. So this will allow you to change your audio that you've just recorded and either turn it all the way down or have it all the way up. And obviously you can do the same with the audio of the video that you're remixing with. Turn the music all the way down or have it all the way up. Or you can have a balance of the two, a 50-50 mix. Also, another added feature, if you go to the bottom of the screen and tap edit underneath the original music, you'll be able to delete the music or change the music. If you tap at the top, you'll then be able to select any of the music that is in Instagram Reels. From here, you can use the slider along the bottom to pick the part of the song that you want. And if you want to learn more about editing music or editing to the beat in Instagram Reels, you can tap the link that is in the top of your screen now that will take you to a tutorial that I already made all about that. Whatever you choose to do with your audio, once you are finished, in the top right-hand corner, hit done. Next, and this is a new feature, you can now do a voiceover. So at the top, you have the microphone icon. Tap that. Here you can record just the audio. So you haven't got to do the video at this part. So when you're doing the voiceover part, you actually want to scroll along, use the white marker to find your place, and then hit the record button and record as much or as little as you want to of your voiceover. You can discard it by pressing the back arrow, get rid of it. Once you're done, hit the done button. Now, once you've tapped the share button, fill in all the share details, but a good practice here will be to tag in the person who inspired you to remix that video so they can see what you did with their video. Hit the share button and you're done. Now, just as a quick tip, I want to show you this Instagram message when recording your remix. This is to help you get the best quality out of your remix and your voiceovers. So here it's saying best practice is to use headphones and maybe a microphone just to get the best quality audio for your voiceovers and your remix. Can't just remix with any and every video. The person who has posted the video has to enable remixing. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, go onto a Reels video that you have actually posted. In the bottom right-hand corner, there's three dots. Hit the three dots. In the three dots, you'll see a menu of different options. You want to enable remixing. Hit that button. Don't worry, you will be allowed to disable remixing at a later date if you wish to. Why remix? There are a few main reasons why you might want to remix an Instagram Reel. Firstly, to be part of a growing trend. This is normally based around certain songs and or dances. 2, to directly respond to somebody else's video. Finally, to either add something or demonstrate something to somebody else's Instagram Reel. Now, here are a few ideas and examples of when you might remix somebody else's Instagram Reel. Okay, so firstly, maybe to review an Instagram Reel. So maybe a film studio or someone releases like a trailer of a video that's coming out and you are giving your initial reactions to that video. A reactions type video. So maybe you're reacting by saying how well someone did at producing a particular video. Or maybe you have the answer to someone's question that they asked. Maybe you're trying to copy something someone did that's really good, or a challenge they've set. For example, how many press-ups they could do in 15 seconds, and you're recording yourself to show how many you could do in that time. And finally, just to have some fun, and like the name suggests, remix something you've seen. Put your spin on it, add your sprinkle of fun and creativity to your Instagram Reels. Let me know how you get on with the remix feature. Tag me in on Instagram @_simplycreate_. I'd love to see how you're getting on and the videos that you create. Hope you found that this tutorial helpful. I would love your support. If you're not subscribed already and you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you've been here before, don't forget to tappity tap tap that like button. And as always, from Simply Create, thank you for watching.